Hello everyone. We are going to do landing gear part by part. This is the part one which we are going to do today. Let's start with the design. Consider top plane, sketch, top plane, circle, 176 dia. Okay. Finish sketch, extrude, 120, 120 mm body. Okay. Now we have to take offset plane, offside plane, 88 mm distance. Okay. Now sketch in a new plane. Be careful. You are sketching not in the middle plane, you are sketching in a new plane and start the design. Draw 120 mm vertically and 152 horizontally. 152 mm horizontally. Then thereafter take a 40 mm line vertically of the dimensions. This is what we see. Create a circle of diameter 48 from this point, and also again create concentric circle of dia 80. Okay, now create a line from here to the exact end, or you can take, this is the diameter of 176, you can take 176 by 2. This is what it exactly. From here you can see this symbol, there's a tangent symbol. When this symbol appears, enter. Okay. So now trim this line. This the sketch is remaining. Trim this also. This is what remaining. Finish sketch. Home. Extrude. This plane. And extrude for 33 mm. I am giving minus 33. That is join. I am giving minus because this extrude must be towards the circle. So I am giving minus 33. See to that you are giving it towards the circle. Then okay. Now mirror here. This is features and select the object and select the plane. Okay, this what over. Then in the top plane, draw circle of 163 dia. In the top plane, draw circle of 163 dia. If okay, finish the sketch. Extrude it for 152 mm. Extrude 152. Okay. Now again sketch in the top plane circle of 191. There, finish sketch, extrude. Both you have to take and extrude up to 250 mm. Okay. Now sketch in the side plane. Be careful, not in a new plane, in the side plane of your image. Sketch exactly in the top, exactly in the top, from the top. Now I selected the top line, take 46 mm line, and there again take 158 mm line. From there, horizontally 188 line. See here, you can see 90-degree angle. Press enter. From here, again 54 line, escape. From here, the circle diameter is 191. So the distance is 191 by 2 over. Escape. Now create the circles of dia 77. Okay. Again a concentric circle of dia 108. Now from this point, create a tangent to the circle and trim other interior parts. Finish the sketch. Go to home. Extrude. Extrude. Join. This is symmetric. Distance throughout. And the distance is 100 mm. So distance is 100 mm. Okay. Now let's check right there. Once let's check whether it's right or not. Yes, 100 mm. Now mirror this. Why is happening like this? Okay, sorry. Please in sketch see to that. Sorry, in sketch trim these lines. Come to the entire design. Okay. From here, what you have to do, you have to take the line from here. There's a 1995.5 horizontal. From here, you have to take the tangent. This is a mistake I have done. Now, trim the other parts. Finish sketch, home page, extrude, 100, join, symmetric, throughout. Okay. Now, mirror this, features, these features about the plane, side plane. Okay. Now, now we have to create a circle of diameter 122 in top plane, 122, finish sketch, and cut it throughout. Okay. Now, again, in the top plane itself, not in top plane, yeah, inside plane, inside plane itself, from the point where we have taken this one, take exact point, and from here, 95.5, take a line of 95.5 in this stage, and also take a vertical line of 300, and there take a horizontal line of 76.5. Join these two lines, finish sketch in home, select this axis and this plane to select here. What I did, revolve, future solid profile is selected by the plane or it's not selected. I have to select this plane and the axis at this one, 7. Don't do anything with this one. Join. Okay. Now what you have to do is, now in this top body, create a circle of 181. Okay. Finish sketch and extrude it for 62 mm. Okay. Now in this top plane. Again, see to that. Once I will go back. When you create like this, take to the right side view, just like this. Place your figure like this. And now sketch in this top plane. See to that top plane. Your these futures right, that will be horizontal, not this side. This will be in this line. And you can see here, you can see this in this at the end. See, this will be in line. Now what we are going to create this one, this will be in line. So be careful in this line, the figure should be. And now sketch from the interior circle, not from the exterior circle point, interior circle intersection point. Okay, this is the intersection point. From here, sorry, create a line of from here, create a line of length 70 and breadth 68, and this side 140. This is 68. This is again 70. Done. Finish sketch. Go to top plane. Extrude entirely for 135 mm. Now give OK. This is what created. You can see here. This is what created. Now here you have to give modify in that fillet, or you can see here. Here the fillet is. Take these two sides and give this length as 70. Okay. Now create whole display reference this throughout distance all, and this diameter is 88. Okay. Here your design ends. This is the part one. Let's see part two in the next session. Thank you.